Hi guys, what's up? Good to see you. It's me, Mrs. Holbrook, and of course our good old friend Baby Echo. And we're gonna get our warm up going on, okay? Let's do some digraphs. CK sock, k, sh ship, sh, th thumb, wh whistle, w, and one more, ch chin, ch. Great job. And let's practice a few of our standard sounds. A apple a, d d, ed e. I M Qu U up V V. Very nice. And today we have a word of the day. Are you ready? Watch me build it. Ta-da! The word of the day. Can you read it? Try to tap it out and tell me what it says. I. Even though, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many taps did we do? I. We did 3 taps because this is 3 sounds. How many digraphs are in this? Yeah, we have 2 digraphs. We have a TH and a CK. Do you remember the rule about CK? When it's right after a vowel at the end of a word, we use CK, not C or K. We use the C and the K teamed up together. What does thick mean? Let's talk about this word thick. Well, this marker is thin and this marker is thick. Would you rather have a thin slice of pizza or a thick crust pizza? I like them both too. Would you rather have a thin stack of money or a thick stack of money? I'd want the thick one. More money, as long as it's the same denomination of bills in both piles. Okay, let's come up with a sentence for this word, thick. The pen is thick. All right, that's a great sentence. I'm going to write it on my whiteboard here. You can just watch. I'll start with an uppercase and a trick word, the pen. Help me spell pen. P goes all the way down to the worm line. Good. The pen, space, is thick. It, and I need to end with a period. That's stupid. The pen is thick. The pen is thick. Okay, my friends, since it's a word of the day, you need to add it into your student notebook. So go grab your notebook, and we put this in the middle part in the vocabulary. What letter does thick start with? Starts with the letter T. So you need to look for the T's. They're around page 63. And up here you need to write the word thick and mark the digraph. And on these 2 lines, you'll put our sentence. So please go ahead right now and do the word with the markings and the sentence. Pause the screen until you finish that. Okay, you're back. Did you get the word thick entered in? Great. I'm going to put my letters back and erase. Okay. I would like you to get your Velcro boards and repeat after me. Can you point to all the things that say K on your board? C, K, and CK. That's right, there's 3. I want to practice that rule. that CK is only used at the end of a word right after a short vowel. So check out this word. What does this word say, everybody? Duck. Duck. So this U that says we call that the short vowel sound. And there's a special way we mark it. We mark it with something called a brev. Say that word, brev. And it kind of looks like a smile. Just like that. Okay? Take a look. That would still say duck, wouldn't it? But C doesn't end a word usually. We don't have C at the end. What about this? That says duck too. But when there's a vowel there, K doesn't end a word. It has to be CK when it's after a short vowel at the end of a word. I'm going to give you a few words to practice building on your own boards, okay? All right, repeat after me. Sick. Please tap it out and build sick. Okay, check your word to my word. You should have s, I, k, ck because it's after the short vowel. I don't want you to write on your board, but I'm going to draw this brev to show us that this I is a short vowel. It says I. Okay, let's spell our word away. S, put it back in the right spot on your board. I, CK. Let's try another word. Repeat after me. Luck. Let's tap it out. Ooh, k. 3 taps, so you need 3 cards. Go ahead and build yours. And when you're finished, check it to mine. I've kept my brev above the U to show it's a short U. It says, When you're finished, we'll spell it away together. L, U, C, K. All right, let's try another one. Back. Tap it and build it. B, A, k, k, k. It's gotta be CK because it's at the end after a short vowel. Anyone remember what this is called? A brev. Why do I put it there? To show that it's a short A sound. Great job. Let's spell it away. B, A, C, K. Okay, my friends, let's try a few more. Repeat after me. Lick. Let's tap it. U, I, k. Let's spell it out loud. U, L, I, k, k. Good, CK. Go ahead and build it on your Velcro board. U, I, k. Check yours to mine. How did you do? Lick. Good. Let's spell it away. L, I, C, K. Okay, my friends. And let's try one more. Sock. Tap it. S, A, K. Spell it out loud. S, O, C-K. Do it on your boards. Check yours to mine. How did you do? What's this thingy called? A brev. Make it with your fingers, like a smile. Everybody smile and make a brev with your mouth. It's a short vowel sound. Okay, let's spell our boards away. S, O, C-K. Okay, we're not going to build any more words today, but we are going to search for some sounds. So just point and tell me the letter's name after I say it. Y. Letter's name? Y. Point to Qu. Letter's name? Q-U. U. Ch. Letter's name? C-H. S. Letter's name? S. Let's do one more. K. Letters names? C. K. C-K. All right, guys, you worked hard today. Great job building all of those words. And remember, CK comes at the end after a short vowel. And the smiley above the short vowel is called the brev. Great job. See you next time.